Okay, June 2011, Core 4, question 7 about a snowball. Okay, a snowball is melting. The snowball can be modelled as a sphere whose surface area is decreasing at a constant rate with respect to time. Okay, the surface area of the sphere is A at time t units after it begins to melt. Okay, they are giving you clues. It's decreasing. Okay, and it's a constant rate. Okay, so decreasing, the snowball, the surface area decreases as time goes by. Okay, and it has a constant rate, but it's decreasing, so have minus there. Okay, but in effect that is dA dt equals minus k by dividing by minus 1. Okay, that is the first part. Okay, the second part. Okay, initially the radius of the snowball is 60 centimeters. So when time is nothing, then the snowball is 60 centimeters wide, or radius is. After 9 days, t is 9, and the radius is halved, so 30. R is 30. Okay, so t equals nothing, r equals 60, t equals 9, r equals 30. Okay, and it's not to do with the radius, it's to do with area, so you look at that. Okay, so the area equals pi 60 squared, and the area in this case, okay, is pi 30 squared. Sorry, 4. Yeah, it's like that. Okay, so we have to show we have to get the equation. Okay, so we have this from earlier, dA. Okay, and that is indicating the rate of decrease, but it's like differentiating. When you differentiate, you have the curve, you differentiate. When you have the differentiated thing, you integrate to get the curve. Okay, so before we can do that, we have to integrate like this, because these have to be on the correct side. So this has to be moved up. Okay, so okay, and then at this stage you do this, integrate it. Okay, so that is a dA integrates to that, and that is okay, but you have plus c. Okay, because you don't know what constant was in there when it was differentiated. Okay, so now we are trying to get this equation, okay, from what we know. So that is the target. Okay, we can find c by putting in what we know. Okay, so at time nothing, the area is 4 pi 60 squared. Okay, when time is nothing, okay, that is going to disappear. So 4 pi 60 squared equals c. Okay, so that goes there. Okay, so I'll write it out. A equals minus k t plus 4 pi 60 squared. Okay, that is the equation so far, but we don't know k yet. Okay, so we have to use what we know to find out k. So this one now. Okay, when the time is 9, the area is that. Okay, so now it's just a case of rearranging to get k. Okay, so I'll do this one first. Okay, so nothing equals minus k 9 plus 4 pi 60 squared minus 4 pi 30 squared. Okay, and then I'll get this over here because I want to get k on its own. So k9, but I want to get rid of the minus. Okay, 4 pi 60 squared minus 4 pi 30 squared. Okay, and then divide by 9 because we want k on k. We want to find out what k is. So divide by 9. Okay, now we have to deal with that the actual number. Okay, so it will take ages. Okay, I'll factorize it. You can do it any way you want, you know, work it out on your calculator, but 60 squared minus 30. Okay. Okay, and I'll do it, that cancels. Okay, 3 4 pi. And then it goes like that. That is just, you know, normal maths. Okay, and so k equals 1200 pi. Okay, so now we have c and we have k. Okay, and we can put them both in to that. Okay, a equals minus 1200 pi plus, I have to work, I'll write it down, but I have to work it out. Okay, okay, so it's okay, that's the equation. Okay, but look at the question. Okay, okay, it says that. Okay, so I think we have to, that gives me a clue. Okay, it's better to do it like this. You know, nothing changes, but my written order does. Okay, and notice that we have to factorize. Okay, they took pi out there and there, and they took 120 out, and 120 out of there. 14400 divided by 12. Okay, that is 1200 minus, oh, I've missed that out. I should have written t there. T. Okay, so it should be t. Okay, t minus t, and it, I think it's the same, but I'll look. Yeah, then you have done it. Okay, they want to know the number of days it takes for the snowball to completely melt. Okay, so they're asking, sorry, when does that equal naught? So when is the area naught? So it's melted totally when the area equals naught to pi. And so you think, okay, it's going to be nothing equals 12 minus, yeah, and then t equals 12. It melts completely after 12 days. Okay.